Hello and welcome. So the quality of this video is probably going to be bad, but that's about average. So from at least my stuff. So yeah, I'll just get started then. So this is going to be a slight tutorial. It's not going to actually be a real tutorial, but it'll give you a couple ideas on how to mod Doki Doki Literature Club. The first thing you are going to need to download is RenPy. Now I will show you where you can get this. It's very easy. I have got a ton of stuff. I am sorry. I did not open up Google before this. Oh. Kind of want to see that later. Anyways, I wonder if that's somebody gonna follow the mod or something. Just go into this page, really easy. Download the download the latest version. It's good. I actually like this. If I ever make my own, which I probably won't, but I might, I don't know. It doesn't look like it's actually that hard. It'll just take a lot of time. Anyways, so download that, and then you're also going to want to download an RPA extractor. And to find that, you just put RPA extract, or typing with one hand, so you get the speed. Yeah, go to this video right here. Okay, I paused it. Sorry about the noise on that. Download from this one right here. You can watch his video if you want to figure out how to extract the files. It's very easy to Google, so you guys don't even really need to see that, but you can look at it right now if you want to use that. Alright. You probably should pause the video back there. So yeah, those are the two things that I've used. When you boot up this and you click on your mod template, which you're going to need to download, which I forgot now. Alright, so you get your mod template. Alright, that's right here. I use the Steam community one just because this is the one that I originally found. Because I play on Steam, or at least that's where I first got it from. So actually, I didn't realize that this also had a little thing telling you how it works. So you can probably go to this, but if you don't want to, I'm giving you a little video tutorial right now anyways. So yeah, get your mod template from right here. Okay, this thing right here at GitHub. It'll give you the mod template. I'll just open up a new page. That's just a Steam notice thing. Alright, so yeah, just click this one, not example output, but this one. Download it, and then just here, show you what I'm talking about. Actually, I'll probably just download it because it'll be faster. Alright, so you'll see the entire thing. It's a very small package. So you just open it up, and then you'll see these two files. You want to take, you don't have to take both, but you might just want to take both. This is for the Mac OS, but really this is the only one you should care about if you're on PC. just take that. Sorry, I don't have a Mac, or a Mac OS, so I can't show you guys how to do it on that. So anyways, just take the thing. Oh wait, I already had a page open. Go into your Red Pi, which you've already downloaded, and then just copy and paste it into there. And that's what I did here. From there, you can go into the files on this. All the RPYs, or no, yeah, OPY, RPYs. When you boot up this and you try to open a script file, it will give you the option to download one of the suggested ones. I downloaded Aditra, which is probably butchered, but that's just what I think it might be called. Anyways, just I downloaded that. It was recommended on the top, so that's why I chose it. Anyways, yeah, just pretty much edit. You can now edit all the script files. So just show you what that looks like. See, I can edit them. Doesn't really matter though. So this is how you're going to be modding the game. So what I did, I just copied the mod template, stuck it in the Surrey Forever mod, changed the name so that way I could differentiate between the two, and then I can continue working on this one and leave the mod template as kind of like a testing space. Yeah, and so you can see here how a lot of this stuff works. This is a tutorial, so I gotta show you how this stuff works. Alright, so currently in the background I have this game running because I'll just show you that later. Try to keep on topic. So how to mod the game. Alright, if you come into here, you can launch a project. The base template will have Monica come up and talk to you immediately. I have made changes to the base template, and I'll kind of show you what I did. Since I already have this open, I can show you from right here. So usually it starts around here-ish. It takes so Monica quote player. This is how you get them to talk. And then that. But if you downloaded this, you will actually be able to read these little lines right here. And they gave me all the help that I needed to figure it out, and if I can figure it out, then you guys shouldn't have any trouble. But when I did come to a problem, was refer to the character pose sheet. This does not exist yet. To find out which number corresponds on which. I can make one if you guys want. I can make a character pose sheet. Because I've already mapped them all out, and by that I mean like I've just essentially broke the game down to find it. Anyways. Oh, I need to minimize that. Or wait, never mind. I realized that was the template. So as you can see right here, it says Modification Club instead of Literature Club. It's like completely different. And I'll show you how that is. If you go into your mod template and into the assets, and this thing comes along with it. Now you may be wondering, well, how did they get it to pop up on here? Right? It's not like you can just slap it into the game files and immediately pulls it, and it doesn't. But I'll show you how to pull it. So go into Aditra because it's just easier that way. Yeah, here we go. Oh, wrong one. Oh, should close this. So open all of your script files for the mod template. It'll take a few seconds. The computer, well, Aditra does this sometimes on RenPy for some reason. Alright, so you're going to want to go into Splash, because that's what this is. This is considered a splash within the code. So splash.rpy, sorry about that. So you got some little splash messages and stuff. none of that really matters, but right here, image, menu, logo, because that's what this is a menu logo. That I think that has to do with like, I don't know. Just, anyways, that doesn't matter. It's right after that you bracket it down, and you got quotations, / mod _ assets, / you're gonna want to remember this. So whatever you do, do not delete this inside the /rpy, because you're gonna refer to this if you ever want to pull something. Then the exact name. So if I go into here, mod assets, that is the exact name, no spaces. Try to keep your stuff empty of spaces because it might kind of bug it out. .png, which is what that file is, so it knows how to read it properly. And then you can decide where to put the image, of course. And also menu logo move, because the menu actually has anyway, in the base game it moves as well. So there's an animation or some sort of scripted animation for the image. Anyways, I'm getting really off track and taking forever. I'll just try to speed this up a little. Gotta go back into here. So to change things, it's as simple as, well, first you're just gonna want to open up the script files. And this is gonna be pretty much a complete tutorial on how to do this sort of thing. It's not gonna teach everything, but it's gonna teach everything in the basics. So to add things, you can see right here, this sets up a scene with background and music, and then it gives you an example, which was over here. I added stuff in between for the mod. Alright, this is really just me playing around. None of this actually represents anything in the mod. I'm gonna probably get rid of all of this to rewrite it. So scene, alright, that you'll know you got it right when it turns up in like this yellowish color, right? Sort of orange. Then BG, which this is how you go into the images RPA, right? Immediately it will try to pull from the image RPA unless you put hold on, the as before mentioned, this right here, image, menu logo, mod assets, DDLC, template logo, PNG. Okay, unless you put that in there, or you don't have to put menu logo. I'll show you another example later, but unless you make sure it looks similar to this, it won't pull it. Anyways, Sayori's bedroom, Sayori bedroom. That's actually the name of the location. I'll just start the game so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, I didn't put any fades. As you can see, there was no with scene dissolve, which you're going to want to use a lot. As you can see, there was nothing there. Actually, I'll show you some more transition things later once I actually figure out how to do them. But anyways, it just pops right into the screen. And it will do it in the order of the lines. So it goes down through this way. It goes down. Okay, so you got scene, background. So it stands for, if you go into the DDLC images, which is a decompiled RPA, right? It's extracted. You go into BG. These are all of your little things that you can write before. And you'll see in here that Sayori's bedroom is right there. Anyways, yep. Alright, and then I just did a little self-deprecating humor right there. So funny. So yeah, right there, what you saw was, oops, wrong one. Don't need that open anymore anyways. Nor do I need this one open. I need this open. Okay, so what you saw right there was, after this was all done, here, actually, I need to mute you. Alright, so I had the music fade in, and I never had it fade out, so if I go back into the mod settings, you'll notice that there is music. Now I'm gonna test some. This is a test right now. So right now I am at where he's gonna say that, yeah. Each one of these are lines. MC is main character. And then before that, if you want anyone else to say something, and it'll pop up in that little box right there, you just put the first letter of their name. Alright. And by the way, MC will just take whatever name you chose at the beginning of the game. I just put Jeff for no apparent reason. Alright, so as you can see right here, I'm going to have the music fade in again after it does this. It actually just stops that music and puts in a new one. Okay, that's cool. I guess that'll save me a lot of time so I don't bug the thing, but I'm going to turn off the music every time anyways. Anyways, just go through 2 lines of bad writing. And then you got your scene background, right? Scene background. That's what this is. And then there's the mod asset. I'll just show you where that is right now. See, because all this is still in their RPA files. I haven't opened them. I do believe it will break the game. I haven't tried it without it. I'll do that right after the video. So, in the comments. Alright, so as you can see, this is just a solid black screen in 1080p. So, that's it. But what that does allow you to do is hold it at a dark screen like this, which you couldn't do before for some reason, or at least I couldn't do it. And then I arrive, and that's where my mod ended. I haven't played around with anything else. The stuff that you see at the beginning of the game, that's the newest stuff. That was my first attempt, and then she shouldn't disappear because I never told her to go away or any scripting and stuff, and this is where the actual mod with the template begins. And also the background is not the same as it should be. I changed that. Okay, so that is that. Everything else is kind of, you already know how to do it. If you want to type something, you just can look at this. It'll actually teach you, and so double quotation in between, you put wherever you feel like that, you know. You can just put whatever you feel like, and then to save it, you just click save, and then exit. Now I'll show you what that's pretty much the end of the tutorial. I'll be going into how I'm making the mod right now. So if all you wanted to do was see how to make the mod or make the mods, then you could leave the video. If you want to see how I'm making this, then or some of the problems I've encountered, then you can stay around. Anyways, now on to my problems. So I've decompiled the scripts here, but I don't know what script is what. because you can't open these RPC files. They're compiled. At first I thought that was just an RPY, but with a slight change, like, you know, you can't just read it normally. It's like a separate version, but that's what it is. It's just compiled script. I just wanted to know where I could interject my story into, but since I can't do that, I've came up with an idea. I will start the mod at a specific scene. So I'll turn up the volume a little, load the game. This is the scene that I will try to. So I had to play through all the way to get to this bit, but okay, so this is right after they hug or whatever. I was gonna take all of this stuff, copy it over into the script, including her facial expression and all that. I can do the script really easy just by clicking on history. Alright, so I'm just gonna put Sayori lets me go right there in the whoop. Oops. Oops. Sorry, I gotta use both hands. I can't do this with one. Jeez. Oh. This is not my day, is it? Anyways. That's, just, here, I'll show you what that would look like. So since I didn't, actually I don't need to. Wait, what? Since last save point. Yeah? Wait, what? No, Control Z. Huh, that's not cool. Here. Try reopening that. This video is going to be titled Epic Fails if this goes wrong. I really hope I didn't delete my example script. Okay, no I didn't. Alright. So, I'll show you what that looks like. Just give me a second. I'll launch the project and you'll see what I'm talking about. So when I boot this up, the second I click new game, it should just go straight to Sayori, and then Sayori lets me go. Yep. Alright, so that's a... there you go, that's how you mod the game. That was easy. Anyways. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually copy all of this stuff. And so that's going to be a pain to do. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change something. So you know that scene where Sayori says, no, I'll be fine. And she decides that she's not going to go to the other thing. I'm going to change that and not really give Sayori a choice on that one. Just kind of like force her to go and hang out. So that's what they're gonna do instead. I think I'm gonna do it where Natsuki comes over because there's gonna be food and yeah, I don't know, I just feel like that would be interesting environment, because I mean, if you just do it with Yuri, then it's going to be kind of like, you know, everybody just essentially plays with the stuff, decorating and that. Anyways, all right. I'm not kind of confused a little, I guess. I'm wondering, like, how am I gonna write that? But I'll do it. I'll figure it out. I'll try to actually do good writing. I haven't done any writing on this yet, so I guess that's what I'll be doing. Hopefully I can do good. I want to try to stay close to the writing style that he has, but Dan Salvato, that's what I'm talking about. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to, because I'm not that good at copying. Like, I can't even do my own sort of thing, so copying is probably gonna be way out of my skill set, but I'll try. I'll try my best, okay? You know, nothing short. So anyways, I think that's pretty much the end of the video. That's pretty much what I was gonna do, so yeah, I'll just end it here. It's already been like 20 something minutes, so alright, I hope you liked it and learned something. I don't know. Alright, bye.